as you saw in the last video, I have this new Marzocchi Z1 that I bought. New to me, used, but not used very much. And it's a 170mm Z1. And what I need to do today is take this fork apart so that I can change the air shaft assembly from 170 to 160, because my bike, my frame, which is a Rocky Mountain Instinct, can only take up to a 160, otherwise voids the warranty. Okay, so this is a bit of a video just to show the disassembly, and I hope you enjoy.